If you're enjoying this content, remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing videos. Your support helps us create content that you love, so don't forget to turn on the bell notification to stay updated. Today we're diving into the vibrance and jubilation of Holi, also known as the Festival of Colors. Celebrated in India and by Hindu communities around the globe, this exuberant festival marks the arrival of spring and symbolizes the victory of good over evil. Keep watching to learn more about how this festival paints the world with happiness and unity. Holi has ancient origins and is one of the most revered and celebrated festivals in India. Its roots are deeply embedded in Hindu mythology, particularly the legend of Prahlad and Hiranyakashipu. Prahlad, a devoted follower of Lord Vishnu, was saved by the grace of the divine when his evil aunt Holika tried to burn him alive. This miraculous survival is celebrated as Holi. The festival's most recognizable aspect is the playful throwing of colored powders, known as gulal, and water at each other, creating a spectacle of merriment and chaos. Every nook and corner bursts into a kaleidoscope of colors where everyone, from the young to the old, is fair game. This tradition stems from a legend involving Lord Krishna, who playfully applied color to Radha's face, signifying the blossoming of love and the colorfulness of life. Holi is also a time when people forget grievances and renew relationships. Friends, family, and strangers come together, blurring social boundaries in a celebration of unity. The night before the big day, bonfires are lit in a ceremony known as Holika Dahan, symbolizing the burning away of evil spirits. Traditional sweets like gujia and thandai, a milk-based beverage, often infused with spices and sometimes with bhang cannabis, are enjoyed. Bhang is consumed by some to enhance the festive spirit, though it's not for everyone, and caution is advised. The timing of Holi is linked to the lunar calendar and typically falls in March, sometimes extending into early April, depending on the moon's cycle. This period signifies the end of winter and the abundance of the upcoming harvest season, infusing the celebration with an air of gratitude and prosperity. A crucial aspect of the festivities is the respectful engagement with one's community. Although it's a joyful occasion, it's vital to remember that consent is key. Play with colors should be enjoyable and safe for everyone involved. As Holi continues to sprinkle its hues across the globe, it's not just a day for mirth and play, but an embodiment of cultural heritage, symbolizing hope, joy, and the eternal cycle of life. Thank you for watching. Explore the magic of Holi and how it brings us all together, covering the world in a myriad of colors, symbolizing the essence of unity. Share your Holi experiences in the comments below and keep the spirit of this beautiful festival alive. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more enriching content. Stay colorful.